I think that installing a smoke detector in my chimney was a bad idea. Sometimes I get so drunk that I can't remember how to set my alarm clock, so I just turn on my microwave for 8 hours. From now on, no more prostate exams unless it's by someone who actually works in the medical field. Whoever named them Rocky Mountain oysters had a lot of balls. I get comfort in the fact knowing that those dedicated folks who spend their entire lives exercising and eating healthy all the time are still going to die. I love Walmart because I can buy navel jelly, petroleum jelly, K-Lite jelly, and grape jelly all in the same damn place. But be careful because only one of those can be used on toast. But grape jelly can be used on damn near everything. Oh yeah, boom chicka wow wow.